So in this problem, we're going to take a look at how to convert from percent mass to molality. Okay, so for reference, molality is equal to moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. Okay, so the first step needs to figure out how to convert the percentage by mass to moles and then to kilograms. All right, so percent by mass, it can also be written as 10.5 grams of solute, which is your glucose, for every 100 grams of solution. So 10.5 grams of glucose for every 100 grams of solution. So the next step is to convert the 10.5 grams glucose to moles of glucose, right? So to convert that to moles, we're going to have to divide the 10.5 grams by the molar mass of glucose, which happens to be 180.6 grams per mole, which is equal to 0.05828, and it goes on, but we don't need any more digits. So those are the number of moles. This is the number of moles of glucose. So coming to this, we actually figured the moles of solute out. The next step is to figure out the kilograms of solvent. So to figure out the kilograms of solvent, all we're going to do is we're going to start with 100 grams of solution, and we're going to subtract. That our first step is to subtract the 10.5 grams of glucose from the solution, because that's going to give us the number of grams of solvent. So grams solvent is going to be equal to 100 minus 10.5 grams, which is going to be 89.5 grams. That's my grams of solvent. Next step is to convert this gram solvent into kilograms. For that, we need to know that 10 to the power 3 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So the conversion factor we'll use out here is 1 kilogram over 10 to the power 3 grams. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and convert the grams to kilograms. Why? Because we need to figure out kilograms of solvent. So to convert grams to kilograms, we're just going to go ahead and multiply this with 1 kilogram. Sorry, no space out here. So let's do this. Let me move this one out here. So we multiply by 1 kilogram over 10 to the power 3 grams. All right, and that gives us 0.0895 kilograms. All right, so now we have the moles, and then we have the kilograms of solvent. Next step is just to divide the two to get the molality, sorry. So molality is equal to moles, which is this divided by this. So that is equal to 0.05, pardon my handwriting, 0.5828 moles divided by 0.0895. Let me just write that a little better. 895 kilograms. And if you simplify that, you get you get 0.651. You want to stop at the third decimal place, because that's how many significant figures you need, 3, because you have 3 in the problem. So that's going to be 0.651 molal, which is also represented with a small letter m. And that happens to be the molality of the solution. I hope that made sense. Thank you for watching.